Singapore's factory output continues to grow. While it expanded for the 14th straight month in August, it could not keep pace with July's high. That's because new orders and exports have slowed. The Purchasing Managers Index in August fell to 50.9, a touch lower than the month before. A readings above 50 indicates expansion. The electronics sector grew 13 months in a row. Now, August's pickup was at 51. More new orders, exports and factory output helped boost the sector. And one analyst says the slight dip in Singapore's overall PMI was in line with Asia. He expects Singapore's manufacturing sector to accelerate for the rest of the year.
Given that Singapore produces itself, and we are in the midst of a favorable export backdrop in the region, that basically means that the production or manufacturing numbers, at least for Singapore, would likely be strong from now to the rest of the year. So that means that with the very good momentum that we have seen so far, for manufacturing, we do look for full year industrial production for Singapore to actually expand by 8% for the year ahead.